place known as South Sudan, a country where everyone admires to be a leader. Toxic leaders shedding our own blood. Southern brothers, I'm so sorry, I wasn't meant to be a hater. You see, I was raised in an environment where everyone was a family, but surprisingly, everybody's practicing hatred. South Sudan, a land with many resources, but utilizing them become a big problem. I wonder, do we pray for a leader to come from Jerusalem? Majority are feeling secure because we take guns bullet to settle our own dispute and little cases. Dear God, please cover our fake faces. South Sudan, a young nation but everything seems confusing. Even your own church leaders, God, watch and save your people from the arms of evil. South Sudan, a country where everyone had in great mind, full of braves and daring hands who just think of riding. When we all know writing and grinding are always considered as hard works. Southern brothers, let's use our hands and mind usefully so that we can let go of shortcuts, because we all know they are the devil work. Children on the street wailing because of killing of innocent creatures. Innocent children claiming justice in a country where justice is like a nightmare. Does this show literacy? I say no, because we are wise and pure to our own disasters. Lord, tie the monsters in our heart and throw them to the downside. Corruption is becoming habit when we are supposed to be working as a beast. My leaders, please help us remove corruption in our country. Unequal distribution and mismanagement of funds brought dollar crisis. A productive country, but griefs and suffering is everywhere. Our entire life is all about pain. Endurance has become visual. Even though we are losing hope, please, let us not think of who to blame. Because it is high time we stand up as Southern Sudanese and unite for a better stay. After all, it is South Sudan for all. South Sudan for the innocents. South Sudan for equality. I'm Paul.